Hi, gang. Hey, thanks for all your help last week in locking down your workshop dates. Robin and I have been busy talking with your instructors and have worked out a pretty exciting summer schedule. Now, your new teachers are also very excited and truly appreciative of this opportunity, so thank you from them so much as well. Now, this week, you'll receive your proposed schedule. When you get it, please give it a moment and then get it back to us as soon as you can. Once it's all set in stone, we'll start creating and sending you promotional material for your workshops. This will include flyers, graphics, text, and images for your own calendars and social media networks. Now, as you can imagine, this is all, well, a pretty big logistical challenge for Robin and I, so your patience is really appreciated. Now, once you have your promotional items, feel free to use them any way you see fit. And all the material is made from royalty-free components or things that we own and have the rights to. So pull, cut, and edit all you want. You're not going to hurt our feelings. It's okay. And please keep in mind that while we do advertise all the classes on our own website, Facebook, and Instagram pages, we, quite sadly, have a very limited reach right now. We only make it to about 300 people, and that's nowhere near enough. So we need your help in promoting your own workshops. If you would let your own email list know about the events, print out the flyers and put them up in your libraries. Create a Facebook event yourself on your page. Talk about your workshops on your website. Upload a photo to Instagram and so on. Whatever you can do to get the word out, this would all be a huge help. Plus, we could all really kindle this flame by cross-promoting each other's events. We're going to send you on Sundays a list of workshops coming up the upcoming week at all libraries. If you could take a moment and share these events on your own Facebook page as well, that would make a world of difference for everyone involved. Well, keep in mind that this is actually a big part of the program. It's in the fact that we are all willing to help each other, to help that library brand. And much of our shared future success will depend on all of us getting the word out. If we all work together, though, if we all educate the community about the program, about the fact that the library is where they want to come to learn, explore, experience, and teach, then we might just make a real difference in their lives. Well, thanks again, guys, for your continued faith and support, and for listening to me. And we're going to talk again real soon. Take care.